So today's ride, bit of a carry on from the one I did a couple of days ago. Went for a bit of a ride out to Tugum, which was really nice. I had no camera gear, just my phone, and I did have a drone with me, and the drone was pretty cool. Got some nice footage at low tide. I'll relay that over the top here, and beautiful spot, not far from town, about 20-25 minutes probably from my place, and yeah, it was just a nice, beautiful weather day. Today I sort of just want to carry that on. I've routed a bit of a trip on the Osmand here on the phone, and she's going to take me on it. So hopefully it's got a little bit of everything out to Burrum Heads. Looking at about 110k round trip, so I'm going the long way. And I've got enough fuel. It says 300k's left in the tank. Never trust it too much, but I'm pretty sure 300 versus 110 should be right. 350 metres, turn right onto Mags Hill Road. Alright. Whoa, burnout car. No good. Turn right onto Burrum Road. Sounds like a plan. Yep, still there. Sweet. I've nearly had the V-Strom for a year, nearly, probably 11 months, and I've only done about 1,000 Ks, so just over 1,000 at the end of this ride. So not a lot of riding, but I've enjoyed it around town at least. Haven't done the big trips I sort of was thinking of doing, but again, I'm new to bike riding still in general really, and definitely on the road. So there's no rush on those bigger trips. It's all about confidence and when you think the time's right and that. The weather's been absolutely shithouse in Queensland for the last 7 months as well. Quite a few bikes. Yeah, quite a few bikes. Okay, now I need to sort of concentrate a bit. I don't know where my turn off is, but I've got a feeling it's not far up. There we go. So we're off the main road now, cruising a nice country road. going on a little bit gnarly. See how we go. Am I going to get through? It looks pretty bloody muddy. Bloody hell. I don't think I can get through. That's right, it's
I mean, on the DRZ, boom, 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 straight through. Not a problem. On this big bike, you just can't nail a line. I don't think I've got the control to get it in there. That's slippery as well. Oh, good, but the bloody camera's in the freaking way.
big truck coming, but I might get ahead of it. Thank you. Oh, little dude. Quick scratch of the nose and then bin the ears back. Whoa! A V-Strom power. No idea what this road entails, but we're going to turn down it. My gut feeling is a bit of a gravel road. Cruising at 100 now, no dramas anyway. Starting to really get used to this. It's not difficult. I'm passing through the small town of Torbanlea here now. They have a little country school, a tavern, and the local horse races event each year. From here I'll take a backway 100km road to Burrum Heads. It's a pleasant drive on this road with minimal traffic. That's the Burrum Tavern. We'll just keep cruising in. So here we are coming into the general township of Burrum Heads, their main drag here. We've got a few stores here on the left. You've got bakery, ice creams, food works, some general stores, and then you come up to a speed bump, caravan park. This one's a council caravan park, on both sides of the road. Speed bump on both sides of the road, and you can see there'd be a lot of southerners in there at the moment. Speed bump. It's a pretty small town, not a big population, and you'll see we're coming up now to an intersection, and at the end of this intersection on the right is like an open boat ramp, and then I keep cruising ahead to the main sort of park, and they've done that up into a nice big boat ramp area as well. I hope you guys enjoy the drone footage. So that's Burrum Heads. And now we need to find our way home. It does look rainy out there in the direction I'm heading. Oh well, we'll see what happens, eh? We're getting a few drops now. This was nice. It got me out of the house. A little bit more highway experience. Yeah, pretty awesome little ride actually. So I'm glad I came out. Hope you guys got some enjoyment out of it, and we'll see you on the next one, eh? Who knows what it'll be on, who knows where it'll be, but we'll see you there. Alright, cheers, hooroo.